Hello friends, welcome. It's Rachel here, and today I am doing a scrapbook layout for Scrapbook Nerd. And today it's a cute little layout of Remy when she was a kitten. I am trying so hard to work through my photos and my memories, and I'm in summer of 2021, so I'm behind, but it's okay. I'm gonna catch up eventually, so just keep chipping away at it. I'm using the Parasol collection from Maggie Holmes, and I'm actually really enjoying working with this collection. I am personally loving it so far. I've made lots of layouts with it, and I don't know exactly what the term is, like not the ephemera pack, but that big pack of like all of those like papers and embellishments and things. There's these like bigger papers that I kind of like to use as like layering backgrounds kind of thing. And so that's kind of like my routine when working with this collection, is to use those bigger pieces of paper as layers in the back. And I love how this layout came out when it all comes together at the end. Actually, this is a pretty quick video because it worked out pretty well. I think it's a cute layout. I was thinking about maybe putting this title on its side. I thought that would look kind of cool, but ultimately I decided to put it the regular way. But yeah, look at the back of it. The back of it has cat fur all over it. If you're a pet owner, you know. But I feel like with some of the American Crafts products lately, it's just a manufacturer thing. With the chipboard, they don't really like stay on very well. Like if you take it off once, then like you have to use it, it feels like. So I've taken it off before, and that kind of it kind of lost its sticky and stuff, so there's just like cat fur everywhere on the back, but it's fine. There's not cat fur on the front, and so it doesn't really matter. But either way, I still love playing with this collection. I still think it looks great, and yeah, adding some of these little pieces here and there. Gonna add this little flower. I think that's really pretty. Yeah, wow, it's the beginning of January. We've got lots, going back into routine and stuff is always fun. But it's good to get back to doing videos again. And I'm excited for what collections are going to come out this year, and what memories I'm going to make, and what memories I'm going to document. The part I love most about scrapbooking is having these memories documented and looking through and laughing and remembering all of the things. So yeah, so as you can see, this layout's really easily coming together. And I think this picture of Remy is so cute. She was standing on top of her like containers of cat food. So that was really cute. I was trying to use this, but I used it on a previous layout and I really liked the way that looked, but it just wasn't working with this layout, which is totally fine. I will use it in the future. I love this little, I don't know what it's called, like embellishment pack with the trims and those little, they're not enamel dots, but they're like enamel buttons kind of. And then they also have the adhesive brads as well. And I love that. I got 2 of them. And I love them. I use them on every layout. I use this collection. Instead of enamel dots or gems or sequins, I will use these little buttons. And I think they're so cute. Or the brads, but I was running out of brads on this one, so I only had 1, but I think they're really cute. And add a different texture other than paper. I just grabbed the Tim Holtz word stickers because I wanted some more black, because Remy's black and then the title was black, so I just wanted a little bit more black to bring it together. And then I'm also going to sew around the border and add some black paint splatters. And that's it. That's all. This layout came together so fast. I'm going to have links down below for Scrapbook Nerds so you can get your hands on this collection. You're welcome to scrap lift this layout if you want, but otherwise, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!